Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we will be walking through what the Arlo Support Site is and what information you can find there. Let's get started. In this video, we will focus on the web portal. However, you can access all the information on your mobile device by searching for arlo.com in your chosen browser. From here, tap the three lines in the top right corner, and above the country and language choice, tap on Support. On desktop, click on Support in the top right-hand corner. From this support page, you can easily access a variety of helpful resources, including detailed product information, contact options, and your order details. And at the bottom, you can review our legal information. If you have any questions, simply click the chat icon in the bottom right corner to connect with our chatbot. To get more information about products, tap on Visit here underneath it. From the Products page, you can scroll to choose a specific product and access additional information such as the user manual, data sheet, start guides, and installation guide, as well as frequently asked questions about the device. Back on the Products page, scrolling down, you can find top articles sorted by topics, and at the bottom, links to guide videos about navigating the Arlo app or troubleshooting issues. Going back under Contact Us, sign in with your Arlo app credentials and access your personalized support page. Here you can easily compare the Arlo plans and choose the one that best fits you. And if you need to get in touch with us, you can scroll down for more information on how to do so. Depending on your account type, you will have access to contact our 24/7 chatbot or contact live agents on chat from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or phone support during working hours from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Select the country you are calling from, and the phone number will pop up next to it. Lastly, at the bottom, you can check out the current discounts available for you. Going back once more, under Online Shop, tap on Visit Here. Here you can find the email to get in touch with our designated shop team and information about delivery, returns, orders, and accounts. We hope this video answered your questions about the Arlo Support Site. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.